Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the drive type and having any adapters ready. This prevents delays. Once connected, macOS usually mounts the device automatically, but if it doesn't, open Finder and check the sidebar. Make sure your Mac has enough power and that the cable seats firmly. Loose connections cause intermittent recognition. If this drive contains crucial data, pause here and copy files to your Mac. Don't proceed to formatting. From here, you'll open Disk Utility to prepare the drive for use. Now you go into Disk Utility and show all devices so you're acting on the physical drive, not a single volume. That prevents accidental data loss. Choose a format based on how you'll use the drive. Apps for modern SSD speed, Mac OS Extended for older compatibility, or XFAT to work with Windows. Set the scheme to GUID partition map for boot and full Mac OS support. Click Erase to apply changes. Once done, create folders or set Time Machine if you intend to use it for backups. Finish by mounting the newly formatted volume and moving files. You can also set it as a Time Machine backup target if desired. Make sure to eject the drive using Finder or Disk Utility before unplugging to avoid corruption. If the drive won't mount, run First Aid in Disk Utility to repair the partition. Once done, swap cables or try another USB port to isolate hardware faults. If permissions block access, check Finder preferences and security and privacy settings. These steps solve most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.